Today we will be going over my portfolio. So first, we're going to start on the About Me page. And on my About Me page, I have a list of my education. So I'm currently a junior at California University of Pennsylvania, and I major in communication studies with a concentration in public relations and a minor in event planning and management. My major GPA is a 3.7, and I plan to graduate December 2019, a semester early. Also on my About Me page, I have a few pictures of me. Next, we'll be going to the contact page. On my contact page, I have my phone number, my email, and also my LinkedIn for it to be an easy way for people to contact me. And then next is my project collection. So this is all of the things that I've done throughout the semester. So first we'll start with a Powtoon. So the Powtoon was a way to make animations into presentations, and I made my Powtoon about me. And it was an interactive way to create a PowerPoint. I thought it was very interesting to use a character to tell the story. And I wish that I could have made my own character, but I know that's probably something you have to pay for in these kind of tools. Next is the screencast. So it's a digital recording of a screen with a voiceover with a video. So this is what I'm using right now to show you my portfolio. And I use the screencast to explain the basics of Instagram. I do not like listening to my voice, so that was the only issue I had with it, but that's just from my point, not from the screencast point. And I feel like it's a good way to teach people how to use a tool. Next is the Piktochart, and it uses infographics to create posters, flyers, or reports easily. And I made my Piktochart on social media and the importance of it in the workplace. And out of all the tools, this one was my favorite because I feel like I can use it in my major and how I use social media in the workplace. So the only thing that I did not like about it was really hard to make everything in the same line, in the same font, everything like that. Next was Kahoot, and Kahoot is a game-based platform that makes quizzes more fun, and I use Kahoot to see how much technology someone uses. Kahoot would be a great tool to use in the classroom, and it helps engage students while also adding a learning aspect. The only part I didn't like was that for kids, they have to find the color and the shape that goes with the answer, so that might be difficult and take them longer to understand. Next, I did Goose Chase, and Goose Chase is a virtual scavenger hunt. I used this tool to make an athletic scavenger hunt that showcased where athletes spend their most time on campus. And this tool is very interactive. I really liked it. It made people go all around campus and look at different places. The only downside with that would be for younger kids about how far they can go for the scavenger hunt. Next was Adobe Spark, and it's a free online and mobile graphic design app. I use it to teach a lesson on social media, and I liked all the different pictures that you can use. The only weakness was that it was pictures and text, and I couldn't add my voice to it. Next, I did QR codes, and they are 2D bars that make information quick and easy to retrieve. I used the QR codes to get more information on the homecoming hockey event, and I like that it's an easy way to navigate information, and I didn't see any weaknesses with it because it's so simple and easy to do. And lastly was the Voki Avatar. So it's an educational tool that allows users to create their own talking character. It's a great way to keep people focused on the information, but I also wish I could have added text for people that have a hearing issue. And my next page is on my education. So I graduated from Peters Township, which is in the South Hills of Pittsburgh, in 2016, and I plan to graduate from Cal December 2019. And last but not least is my experience. So I decided to add on my experience two of the main things that I've done. So I added the Pittsburgh Riverhound Soccer Club and Peters Township Community Television. So in high school, I worked directly with our community television station, and I learned how to direct, produce different shows in the control room. I also was a part of shooting different sporting events such as soccer, basketball, and lacrosse, and that really shaped me into what major I wanted to do. And I know I changed out of radio and TV when I got to school, and now I'm public relations, but I still really enjoy doing stuff like that. And in the spring of 2018, I actually interned with the Pittsburgh Riverhound Soccer Club in their community education department, and I worked directly with the team, and I created opposition reports every week. I interviewed players, I helped create the events, and it was an awesome internship, and I actually would love to go back there. And lately, I've been working with the Steelers PR team doing different interviews, so I plan to help that move my career. And that's all for my website. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.